High in the icy heights of the Himalayas lies one of the world's greatest mysteries, the Yeti. A creature shrouded in legend, fear, and fascination. But is the Yeti real, or just a myth born from the imaginations of mountaineers and locals? For centuries, the people of Nepal and Tibet have shared stories of the Yeti, also known as the abominable snowman. Described as a massive, ape-like creature with shaggy white fur, the Yeti is said to roam the high-altitude slopes, leaving mysterious footprints behind. The creature is often regarded with reverence and fear, believed to be a guardian of the mountains. The Yeti first gained global attention in the 20th century. In 1921, British explorer Charles Howard Berry reported seeing giant footprints during his Mount Everest expedition. He called them the tracks of a wild man of the snows. Years later, in 1951, legendary mountaineer Eric Shipton captured the most famous photograph of all, giant footprints measuring over 13 inches in length. This photo reignited the debate. Could the Yeti actually exist? Curiosity about the Yeti wasn't limited to adventurers. Scientists also joined the hunt. In the 1950s, expeditions funded by Western governments searched the Himalayas. Hair samples, supposed scalps, and even skeletal remains were collected for study. But the results were often inconclusive. Many of the samples turned out to belong to known animals, like bears or yaks. Despite this, the mystery persisted. Why? Because not all evidence could be easily dismissed. Over the years, footprints have been some of the most compelling evidence. One such discovery occurred in 2013, when Indian Army personnel claimed to have found fresh Yeti tracks in the snow. In recent years, advancements in DNA analysis have shed new light. A 2017 study revealed that most Yeti samples belong to bears, specifically Himalayan and Tibetan brown bears. While this disappointed some believers, others argue that the legend may still hold some truth. So, what could the Yeti really be? Some believe it's just misidentified wildlife, like bears walking upright. Others suggest it could be an undiscovered species of primate, or even a relic population of ancient hominids, like Gigantopithecus, a giant ape thought to have gone extinct thousands of years ago. And then there's the cultural explanation. Could the Yeti simply be a symbol in Himalayan folklore, representing the untamed and unpredictable forces of nature? Despite decades of exploration and scientific study, the mystery of the Yeti endures. Is it a mythical guardian of the mountains? A misidentified bear? Or something more? Perhaps the real magic of the Yeti lies not in the answer, but in the mystery itself. It reminds us that even in our modern, well-explored world, some legends remain untamed. End.